Bright suns, everybody, and welcome back to Ordinary Adventures.
Today we're back at Downtown Disney because we heard a rumor that there's some new Galaxy's Edge merchandise. The land has been open for over a year, but there's only been a handful of new items that have been released. That includes the 2 legacy lightsabers that we showed you and that plush Baby Yoda doll that you bought a few times ago. And there actually is also a new set of Kyber crystals.
Ooh.
Come with us on this adventure. Every time we post a video from Downtown Disney, we get comments asking, does it cost money to park in Downtown Disney? Right now, it does not. But a lot of people are wondering, once they open Buena Vista Street in November, will they turn on this parking self-pay? Possibly.
Can you take a trade real quick? Can you use your pen? Thank you.
So as you know, Disneyland is still currently closed, but in Downtown Disney, they opened up this shop called Star Wars Trading Post, so that's where we're going to go check out some of this new merchandise.
On in. And if any of you are interested in looking at the lightsabers in the glass case, make sure you're taking them right here on the right side. If you're not, then don't worry about it.
Great, thank you.
So some of this new merch is annual pass holder exclusive merchandise.
I didn't know they were going to have pass holder stuff here. That's kind of crazy. They have this Galaxy's Edge pin with the Millennium Falcon, and you can see the black spire in the background. And it says pass holder down there. And then I'm guessing in Arabic it also says pass holder. But look, it moves back and forth. Oh, rising moons, it says. I wish it said bright suns. They also have this pass holder exclusive t-shirt. What's cool about this is it kind of looks like one of the coasters from Oga's Cantina.
Yeah.
Right? And then once again, it says pass holder, and then it says it. Does it say it in Arabic? We still don't know how to read Arabic, but it says
Probably. And
something.
this is the back of the t-shirt.
This is the back. The front is the same. It just has the thing up by the pocket.
And I'm guessing that says BSO as in Black Spire Outpost, but I could be wrong.
And then it says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge over on the sleeve.
Yeah, so this is not something that would have ever been sold in Galaxy's Edge. This was always going to be like at Star Traders or something.
Oh yeah, you're right, huh? I don't really love pass holder exclusive merchandise because I don't know, I don't like that it says pass holder, and I totally get that that's the point and you want something exclusive just for pass holders. But me personally, I don't know, I don't love it.
Speaking of Oga's Cantina, they have turned some of the coasters from Oga's Cantina into pins. As you can see, there's the Oga's Cantina logo. There's the one for the Yub Nub, Gamorrean Ale, and I guess that's the Blue Bantha. I think people are going to go nuts for these Oga's pins because the Oga's Cantina coasters, like that design is already iconic, and people are going to want these. So another pin that they're offering is this one of Black Spire Outpost, and it says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and it looks like it's on one of those hinges. If you push it.
Oh my gosh, it says bright suns. Oh my gosh, I feel like we need this pin. We need this pin in our life. What if we did a giveaway with this pin?
We should do that.
That could be fun. To enter the giveaway for this pin, all the information is going to be over on our Instagram. I'll post all the rules there. But if this is something that you also need in your life, bright suns, go over to our Instagram.
I'm not sure if this is new, but another cool pin set that they're selling here is the Holo Chest. This is from the Millennium Falcon. It has all the little creatures on there, and they do move a little bit. No reveals, so no bright suns, no rising moons, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. And this is $60, so that's going back on the shelf. No giveaway for that.
Wow, found another new shirt. At first I thought this was a crop top, but I think it's actually for children. And I like the colors of this one.
Yeah, and it has the Hondo's Transport Solutions badge with the Millennium Falcon. I think that says BSO as in Black Spire Outpost, and someone with a translator is going to have to translate that. I don't know.
Black Spire Outpost.
I don't think so.
Really? Outpost.
Oh, you might be right.
Black. I'm right.
Interestingly enough, they have some of the figures that were offered at Target, part of the Star Wars Trading Post or Outpost line. So they have the Mountain Trooper, and they also have this Captain Cardinal. And both of these are available now here at Downtown Disney. I thought they were exclusive to Target, but apparently not.
Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. This is so exciting. They have a new mug. It says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, of course. Would this be able to be sold inside Star Wars Galaxy's
I don't
Edge
think
because
so.
it
Although
says
it looks like it's like worn and stuff, like it's like in universe. But I don't think anything with Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is sold in Batuu.
I don't know. This one's kind of boring to me. I mean, it's cool to have a mug that says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, but there could be more. You know what I mean?
Yeah. On the other hand, this hat that says Black Spire Outpost, I think could be sold inside Batuu because there's no Galaxy's Edge branding, as far as I can tell. Let's see. Yeah. If it's there, it's hidden. I really like this t-shirt. This has the Oga's Cantina logos, or the coasters, I should say. Has the Yub Nub, has the T16 Skyhopper, has the Gamorrean Ale, Oga's Cantina logo, the Blue Bantha, and...
this one is been
The
sold.
Bloody Rancor?
Oh, it is the Bloody Rancor, yeah. What do you think? I mean, this one's a little too small, but
I love it.
yes. It also has the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge on the sleeve.
They also have this women's cut t-shirt. I love this red color. I don't love the design of it, you know what I mean? I mean, I like this, but I don't know. It's kind of like Baby Yoda or the child merch that says like the child.
Yeah.
Like I don't need it to say Star Wars Galaxy's Edge on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, I think that might be the problem is a lot of stuff in Batuu doesn't say Galaxy's Edge, and I'm sure they got a lot of complaints. They're like, we want to buy merch that says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah.
So I like the Honda's logo.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the last things we have here is we have the normal version of the pass holder shirt. This says Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in that orange stripe, and then it says Black Spire Outpost with the BSO logo right there.
Yeah, so you don't have to be a pass holder to buy this shirt.
Yeah, you don't need a shirt that says pass holder.
This morning when I woke up, I actually saw somebody post a picture of a Spirit jersey. It looked exactly like that t-shirt, except it was in the form of a Spirit jersey, and I was actually really excited I was going to buy it when we got here, but it's not here. I don't know if I'm just like imagining it or if it'll get here eventually, but I don't know. It looks cool. We'll put a photo of it right here. Is it cool? I don't know. Before we talk about these new Kyber crystals, I just want to give a quick shout out to some of our Patreons. That includes Daniel Dramberg, Matthew Rowland, Toby Hill, and Florian Ernst. Thanks, guys. I ended up purchasing something.
What?
I
Oh,
bought
the
a
hat.
This is the first hat that I've ever bought, I think, in my adult life. And I don't know, for some reason I just really like the simplicity of it. You don't really like know what it is unless you like know, you know what I mean?
There are 2 new Kyber crystals that have been released. Sadly, they are not yet available here at Downtown Disney. They are available in Florida in Galaxy's Edge. Kyber crystals look like this. They come in a container. They have these silver ends. The new Kyber crystals have like a copper or bronze or gold end to them. I'm not sure if people even know this, but each Kyber crystal connects to a certain character.
Yeah, so as you guys know, there's a bunch of different colors you could get, but not only that, you can get specific characters. So green could be either Yoda, it could be Luke, it could be Qui-Gon. So it makes you want to keep buying more and more and more.
Yeah, you take those crystals, you put them in the holocrons, and the voice that comes out of it is the character that it is connected to. And one of the hardest Kyber crystals to get is not actually the black Kyber crystal that we were searching for. It was actually something called an 8-ball crystal. There was one in the reds and there was one in the greens. The green was Yoda, the red was Darth Vader. And what would happen is if you put this into your holocron, it would basically turn your holocron into a magic 8-ball. So you could ask Yoda yes or no questions or Darth Vader yes or no questions.
That's so fun.
Yeah, it was hard to find. Now Disney has released these as official releases, so you can actually go buy them in Galaxy's Edge, and they look a little bit different.
Yeah, they're so cool. They have like a coppery sort of thing instead of the silver, so that's how you could tell the difference. But the crystal itself is actually like kind of sparkly and metallic.
Yeah, it's like frosted and metallic, and I don't know. I now need these.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm so sad that they don't have them here yet. We talked to some of the employees inside. They knew nothing about when they'd come, but they said just keep checking back.
They also have like a little strip of paper. You know how like the black Kyber crystal came with like that little strip of paper explaining what it was? These come with a strip of paper explaining that it will let you connect with these ancient Sith and Jedi and get the answers to your questions. So cool.
Search your feelings. You know
know it to be true. Your destiny lies along a different path. Events are in motion. The outcome is unclear. Clear your mind of questions. Patience you must have. Meditated on this question, I have. My answer is yes. In harmony with the Force, your path is.
As we were walking through downtown Disney, we ran into our friend Darth Vato, and he gave me this Star Wars Rise of the Resistance mask that he created himself, and he also gave us some to give away to you guys.
How exciting. I totally forgot that we bought that pin to give away, and now we have 4 of these awesome Rise of the Resistance masks. So if you want to win one of these masks, wear a mask. We're gonna do the giveaway on Instagram as well, so make sure to be following our Instagram, and we're gonna post all the rules there.
I just want to encourage mask wearing for the masses. The only thing we can do right now is push forward on whatever's going on, keep things positive, and I just want people to get these masks. If you can find me, you said if you can find me somewhere, I will give you a mask just to wear it.
That's awesome.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys, seriously.
So do some giveaways. I just realized
These
that.
are all gonna be giveaways.
We're going into World of Disney to see if there's anything new Star Wars wise or non-holiday wise. And the first thing I'm seeing here is the Wishes Come True Blue Collection. Disney is celebrating their 40-year collaboration with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and they're doing so with this whole merchandise line, which is all blue colored, actually like a blue, what do you call that, like a sparkly blue almost.
Yeah, this is really pretty, actually. It's almost like stars, like, you know, Make-A-Wish, get it?
Yeah. Of course, they got a Spirit jersey.
Yeah, and this is even sparkly too. I love that really bright, like, silver color.
Yeah.
And then the classic just D on the front. This is a pretty one.
And this Loungefly down here reminds me of kind of the Sorcerer's Mickey Loungefly. But the thing that's most interesting here is they have a Spirit jersey mask. So they're coming out with a line of Spirit jersey Disney
Is that
themed
what
masks.
this
Yeah.
is? I was gonna say, it looks different. They only have small and medium, so I don't think they'll fit our fat faces, unfortunately. This is slick looking. These are they the same price?
$12.99.
Okay, so the normal ones are like $6, so this is like double the price.
The question is it worth that premium?
I mean, they are cool looking.
And they even have some sparkly blue Crocs, in case you're into that kind of thing.
Of course, they even have the Spirit jersey for your four-legged friend. I actually kind of like this better than the other one.
Yeah, there's Mickey and stars and the moon.
Oh my gosh, and they even they even have ears for your dog too. I was like looking at those and I was like, why do those look so weird? Our dogs would absolutely hate this. Normally I would be like, let's get it, but no. I just noticed that Disney is donating 25% of whatever you get here, whatever the total is, they're donating 25% of that towards Make-A-Wish. That's cool. Wow, look at these ears. These are kind of amazing. It looks like the retro Disneyland entrance sign. They're so pretty. I've seen pictures of these online, but I feel like they look way better in person. The Black Kyber Challenge just appeared to us inside the World of Disney.
Hello!
Hi! Wow!
Lovely to see you. I'm Marnie.
Thank you so much!
Now or later, it's your choice.
Did you see her beautiful purple shirt?
Yeah, the purple shirt's great. I don't think I've ever seen it in
First one I
purple
got,
before.
yep.
Yeah. It is time for the Black Kyber Challenge. Thanks to Marnie. Thank you so much. How exciting. I always get so nervous. I almost don't want it to be black so we could keep doing this, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, I always get stuck. Oh my!
Is it really? Oh my god.
I was not prepared for this. Wow!
Whoa.
Thank you! Are you sure you don't want it?
Negative. It's all yours, sir.
Oh my, I wish I could hug you.
Here, the earth hug.
You are lucky. You must be a Sith or something. I don't know how you. I don't know. I don't know if we could trust her, but
I got the Skywalker Legacy lightsaber, so I thought I was on the correct side.
oh, it's okay. It happens. Wow, how freaking exciting!
Crazy.
Was not expecting this when I woke up this morning. Thank you. Woo, woo, woo.
So I guess you beat me.
I know. I only got it in what, like 3 tries?
Something like that, 3 or 4.
That's so funny because we left the Star Wars trading post and I totally forgot to buy a red Kyber crystal. I've been doing that when we go in there. And I was like, it's okay, whatever. Kind of forgot about it. And then Marnie totally has the lucky touch and now we have our black crystal. I'm like at a loss for words. I don't know what to do. Do I continue my challenge? I think what we're going to have to do is once we eventually go to Florida, maybe we'll start the challenge back then. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Tell us in the comments below. What do you think we should do?
What should we do? Because I feel like it's not as fun like buying it from downtown Disney.
Yeah.
I don't know. But thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah. See, that's it. Your crystal doesn't count because
Until-
someone bought it for you in downtown Disney.
Yeah, so I
and
mean,
you didn't get
it's
it
not
too.
really
See?
official
See? Yeah.
until we get back into Galaxy's Edge. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just making excuses
I'm
because
joking.
I don't want the search to stop. You know what I mean? I was even saying like I always hope that I kind of hope it's red because I don't want it to like stop. But thank you so much, Marnie. You're awesome.
So sadly, there was nothing new in the Star Wars section, but we did find some new wishables.
Yeah, they have Beauty and the Beast wishables. I feel like I explain this every time, but in case you don't know what wishables are, it is a blind bag and you have the chance to get one of these 4 characters.
Or if you're a wimp, you could just buy the one that's outside of the bag for $9.99.
Yeah. I actually kind of like that one the most out of all of them.
Yeah. And I think this is because the new Beauty and the Beast ride just opened in, Disney Sea or Disney...
Yeah, I think in Disney Sea in Japan.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So they have Belle, Lumiere, what's his name, Cogsworth, and the wardrobe.
I feel like I wish there was like Mrs. Potts and like Gaston and...
Maybe that's going to be series 2.
That's true. That's true.
But I agree. I think Beast is the best one out of the bunch.
In case you never got to see Peter when he found his black Kyber, we'll go ahead and put the video right over here. Check it out.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure.